Hello everybody, a pleasant good morning to all of you. Welcome to NEET Physics by Arun channel. In today's video, we are going to see an MCQ in the chapter Atomic and Nuclear Physics. Atomic and Nuclear Physics. You know very well that this chapter belongs to or in class 12 syllabus. Okay. So what is the question, sir? Let us look into the question. Suppose the charge of a proton and an electron differ slightly. You know very well that a charge of a proton and a charge of an electron are equal, but with opposite signs. Here, it is imagined, it is supposed that they differ slightly. So one of them is minus E, that is charge of electron, and the other is, that is charge of proton, is E plus delta E. There is a slight difference, delta E. Then what? So normally an atom is electrically neutral. Why? The charge of a proton and the charge of an electron are opposite to each other. They are equal but opposite. Okay. So the net charge will be 0. So here the hydrogen atom will get some net charge. What is that, sir? You look into it. Then what's up? If the net of electrostatic force and the gravitational force between two hydrogen atoms placed at a distance d apart is 0. So net electrostatic force and the gravitational force between the hydrogen atoms is 0. Here d is much greater than the atomic size. Okay, let it be. Okay. Then delta E is of the order of how much? Option 1, 10 power minus 23 coulomb. 2, 10 power minus 37 coulomb. 3, 10 power minus 47 coulomb. And the last option is 10 power minus 20 coulomb. This question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2017. Okay, that's all. So given that mass of hydrogen atom is 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram. Okay, how to solve this problem, sir? Net charge on one hydrogen atom. For one hydrogen atom, charge of electron minus E, net charge. Charge of proton plus E plus delta E. So minus E plus E cancel. So net charge is delta E. Okay. So then what is the electrostatic force between the two hydrogen atoms? This is equal to Fe. What is the formula for electrostatic force? By Coulomb's law, F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 divided by R square. Here the distance between the atoms is d. So let us say I give d square. So what is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught? 9 into 10 power plus 9. What is Q1? Delta E. What is Q2? That is also delta E. So Q1 Q2 is equal to delta E into delta E, that is equal to delta E the whole square. Okay. So Fe is equal to 9 into 10 power plus 9 into delta E the whole square divided by d square. Then what about gravitational force between the two hydrogen atoms? For the gravitational force between any two bodies, Fg is equal to G into m1m2 by d square. That you know very well. So G gravitational constant 6.67 into 10 power plus 9. Okay. So m1 mass of one hydrogen atom, m2 mass of the second hydrogen atom, both are equal 1.67. Okay. So what has been given is the net electrostatic force Fe and the gravitational Fg is 0. It means what? This Fe and Fg are equal. Okay. Now let us continue the problem. Gravitational constant G is equal to 6.67 into 10 power minus 8. Of course, you need not to read the unit. Mass of hydrogen atom is equal to m1 is equal to m2 is equal to 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram. Okay, that's it. The net force of Fe and Fg is 0. It means what? Gravitational force. Sorry, electrostatic force. 9 into 10 power plus 9 delta E the whole square divided by d square. What is gravitational force? 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 into m1 m2. 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 the whole square. m1 into m2. What are same? By d square. So RHS in the denominator, you will have 1 d square. In the LHS also, you will have d square in the denominator. So they will get cancelled. So what about delta E square is equal to? You put this value 9 into 10 power plus 9 to the other side. That is 1 by 4 pi epsilon. So it will go to the denominator. So delta E the whole square is equal to 6.67 into 10 power minus 11. 6.7 into 10 power. So 10 power minus 11, it comes after. Okay, so into 1.67 into 1.67 square, yeah, that's it. So into 10 power minus 11 here, 10 power minus 27, the whole square, it means what? 10 power minus 54. Here you have 11, 54 plus 11, 10 power minus 65 divided by 9 into 10 power plus 9. Okay, plus 9. So in the 9 plus 9 it will be 10 power minus 9 when it goes to the numerator. That means what? 6.67 into 1.67 into 1.67 divided by 9 into 10 power minus 74. 65 plus 9 minus of 65 plus 9 is equal to 74. What is this? The delta E the whole square. You need not worry about this number because in the question they have asked only the order of delta E. So if you take square root on both sides, here you will have delta E and here you will have 10 power minus 74 power divided by 2. What is 74 by 2? 37. Okay, that's all. So delta E is equal to square root of this much into 10, square root 10 power minus 37. Delta E is at the order of 10 power minus 37 coulomb. So option 2 is the right answer. So we will see some other question in this chapter, atomic and nuclear physics, in the next video. Till then, thank you one and all.